She thought a pink tricycle and a stop sign wouldn't get her caught. She was wrong.
And just walk over there to the front of that deputy's car for me. East Drain, South Cherry on a Whiskey Foxtrot on a pink 3-wheel bicycle. I know your information, just give me a second, Sarah.
I warned you, ma'am. Just because the boys are here doesn't mean I'm not going to catch you down.
There.
Right there.
You have no right to be doing this.
Yeah, I saw you move it. Do you understand?
He asked me to.
As soon as I got out of my car, I saw it. And then I cuffed you because you moved your elbow right there to your area. If you're doing all this for just a little bit of dope, don't. Because that's how you get hurt. Do you understand? That's how you get hurt. I don't care about your dope, but you end up getting hurt because if I think you got a weapon, we're going to go to the ground. What's your name? Look at me, Sarah. Nice to see you again. Can you be nice? You know better to make furtive movements like that. That's a safety issue. There is no argument. There's no you didn't consent. There's none of it. You are moving all over the place and hiding yourself. That's a safety issue for me. You knew better. Anything else on you? Now, what apartment are you laying your head in at night? Where are you staying at night? Which house?
That one right there.
There's 10,000 houses, Sarah.
813 Hyman Circle.
813 Hyman. Okay, don't go there no more. Okay? Anything else on you? What are you talking to these people for? What do they want?
Nothing, I just know them as saying hi to them.
I just told them to clear your back seat so we can put her in the back seat. Dude, she was moving all over the place. And he was on, like, the tire. He could see her one arm, but, I don't... That's why that's why I cuffed you right away. That's dangerous, Sarah. You're going to get hurt, man. Back seat cleared so I can put her in there? Yeah. Okay. A little bit more thorough search now. Anything else? You better tell me. Back up. There's never one rock, Alex. There's always two.
So, per my report, there are 3 notches filed into the frame somewhere on this thing for identification.
Okay.
So, just help me scan this thing to see if I can try to find it.
We can lift it up and check under the frame. There's I saw this right here.
She got it in the frame.
Where's she?
I don't know.
There you go. I do it. I saw you moving all over the place before I got out of my car. I walked.
Can I have you come over and help me with this now that they got her? Put it on my hood. Sergeant, I'm going to have him put the 31 on my hood. I got to check underneath the frame to make sure this isn't the bike.
31 in your hood. Turn your glove inside out. Put it on top of the car. It's going to get melted. Put it in the car.
Fair enough. Got too much. Hold that for me.
Family life scene.
FSC. Okay, so that's not going to be one the same. Okay, you can drop it.
Really?
Hey, Mama. How you been? It's been I haven't seen you in forever. I haven't seen you in forever, Mama.
A lot. You're having good days and bad days. And stuff. Trying to gain my weight back. That's it.
Oh, God bless you. You look good. You look like you're starting to feel a little bit better.
Yeah. Yes, yeah.
That roll of stop sign on the bike, and then she has some narcotics on her.
Okay, I'm gonna make room in your car.
What?
I'm gonna make room in your car.
In my car?
Yeah, that's what Sarge just said.
I got a ladder roll, man. I got stuff in the backseat.
I'm just telling you what Sarge said. Yep. She's gonna go too.
She has Okay. Take that, put it in your car. Take all of it. Just take all of it to the car. I can't have that back there with her. My biggest thing is I can't remember if it's Sarah Taylor, S-A-R-A, or S-A-R-A-H. Hey, Sarge.
It's me. We just saw her a minute ago. What do you got?
So, for starters, I stopped because she
Dispatch
ran
has been
the
updated.
stop sign back there on the bike. Big thing is, I think that 3-wheel bicycle is possibly stolen. So, give me a minute, I'm going to confirm.
You get bikes all day long on that. Running stop signs.
Oh, it's easy.
Two stop. Here we go.
Do it.
We're familiar with her. We've arrested her several times.
Yeah.
Dark pink in color, with 2 large bezels on the front and rear. Modified brake on the handlebars. It has 3 notches filed into the frame for identification. Up the dark blue.
You got test it?
Yeah. You have a rod? Watch out with that. I'm gonna hop out of your bed. Roll the stop sign on her bicycle. Rolled the stop sign on her bicycle. That's why I stopped her. She has some other stuff we gotta take care of now, but that's all.
That's in that glove right there, son.
Hold the glove for me, please. Yeah. Gotta find where my scale is. I have so many dang ride-alongs in my car, I can't remember where I put it. Could you go and grab your scale out of the car, please?
Alex, 1 kid, 1 test.
Okay.
Yep. We will do that first, and then we will do the Molly, because we're probably going to test for meth. You have a meth kit?
Alright, so you want, I'll pull 2 up and I want to
You
pull.
can do the meth kit first, but watch the water. What kit is? Too small. Can I get a pair from you, Alex?
What?
Can I get a pair of gloves?
4 board in the car.
In the end, what started as a simple traffic stop for running a stop sign turned into a possession arrest. Sarah Taylor was taken into custody by Bunnell PD after officers found a hidden rock of suspected cocaine. If you want to see more real body cam encounters like this, watch the video playing right here in the center right now and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Axie and Cam and hit the notification bell.